got connected with OLF. We were at a restore store looking at furniture, and I felt like God told me to go to the book section. And what I learned is I just touched the book and wait for him to answer. And I kept touching my way across until I got to this certain book. And he said, that one. I brought it to Sharon. I said, I think God told me to get this book.
He comes over and shows me this book, this Jesus Training Manual book. And he looks at the back and he says, this is a Baptist pastor, that got spirit-filled. And I thought, what? That took me back to my childhood because I had a very similar experience. And I happened to find at the bottom of the website, it showed, the address, and we thought, well, we are always up for a good adventure. So we found it and we showed up to the group one night and here we are.
I'll say, as a result of being in this small group, I never really liked thinking about forgiveness and dealing with my own stuff. But I feel like being in this small group, you can be open with people. And it does make me, when I go home, start to chew on stuff. I'm more open to deal with my own stuff. And I believe that they're a safe place to deal with it.
I guess for me, to be around other people who are, struggling or have similar, not even struggling, but just realize that their own humanity. People will talk about their different struggles. Like he and I, this is our second marriage, and there are other people in the group who've had similar circumstances, and they're not afraid to talk about that. Or really, any of the issues that they are dealing with, they're trying to walk through, that they're trying to allow God to heal and bring wholeness and all that. That's been one of my favorite parts, is that we can just talk about these things that happen. For my husband and I, it's an hour drive for us to this place. I don't just go anywhere. So to go an hour to a place like this is for us a big deal. I would much rather go to church 10 minutes away, but here we are, an hour. We have been involved with this small group for 3 or 4 months, and I feel like I'm constantly being freed up from some of the things that have kept me from growing. Some hindrances that have been in my way are just falling off because it's being talked about. We're being led through. We're being taught how to deal with these spiritual things that are going on in our lives that are connected to our soul. And I've never had this experience before, and this is incredible to me.